Hey guys, we're inside the 31X7 Georgetown. This is a gas Class A motorhome. This is in our 7 Series Georgetown, so it is our top of the line. This is actually our most shortest floor plan, so it's really got that compact but functional and very valuable feel to it. So in the kitchen area, you will notice that this is solid surface countertops all the way throughout. Tons of countertop space. You do have a flip up extended countertop here as well, just to really bring that space out. You will notice this huge single basin stainless steel sink here that is a multifunctional sink. So you do have the waterfall as well as a cup or bottle washer right there. Up above it, you will notice this TV that is across from the theater seating. Actually has some really good hidden storage in there too. Very, very functional. Down below, extra cabinet space as well as pull-out drawers that are all on soft close drawers as well, so it's really got that high-end feel. Next to it, you will see here, right now we have it basically set up for the extra countertop space, but underneath you will see this 3 stovetop gas burner here, as well as an oven down below, and then a huge residential style microwave with extra storage over the top of it. Next to that too, you will see this massive residential style refrigerator. This does have the French doors as well as a built-in water dispenser and an ice maker down below. Next to that too, you will have this functional pantry that actually has these built-in drawers to them. Soft close as well too, so it has that functionality of traveling down the road without things spilling on you. Moving across from the kitchen to your entertainment seating area, you will notice this huge cozy fireplace right here. That is an electric fireplace, ambient light, but then also it does produce heat. You'll have your dream dinette here. So this does collapse down, creates another sleeping area, tons of space there. And then you will actually have your power theater seats here too. So these are heat massage. They have built-in lights in them too. And then you actually have a ambient LED light there too for your charging, as well as extra storage down below too for your remotes. To finish things off in the front area of this coach, you will notice that this actually has a built-in table here. Both of these chairs are power chairs and they also do swivel, so you have that cross seating there. You do have a built-in workstation there, so great for your laptops, your books. This is a great drop-down bunk, as well as you will have a touchscreen up front that has the Android Auto, as well as Apple CarPlay built into it, and that's all through Bluetooth too. The functionality of this drop-down bunk is very simple. Just one press of a button. You can actually bring this all the way down. And then you will notice up here too, you do have an LED strip light as well as throughout the coach, but this one is on its own independent control for your kids. Before we get into the bedroom, I want to show you how convenient this split bathroom is. So as you can see right here, you actually do have a pocket door here that will close off for privacy, but then you actually have a dedicated room for your toilet and your sink. So this door does actually close, creates more privacy, but it also opens up and creates extra privacy going into the bedroom. Across from that, you will have your shower, so you have that dual functionality of someone getting ready in the morning as well as someone showering in the morning. And then headed into the bedroom, you will see that we have a king-size bed standard on this floor plan, as well as huge storage over the top. You will have mantles next to the bed too with their own independent power outlets for your devices. Across from the bed, you will see tons of storage here. You actually have a optional washer dryer that is stackable, so independent units there. Tons of storage over here as well too, very functional with the drawers. These are very deep drawers, but they're also soft close drawers. And then up above that, you will have extra storage behind your TV. And then extra wardrobe storage over here too. One thing I do like to point out too is that we actually have the built-in wardrobe bar up there too, so it's really easy to hang your clothes. And then this is on the king-size bed like I had mentioned, and this is also on a tilting bed, so it allows you to have that extra space in the morning when you're getting ready.